So what is augmented reality? Augmented reality, or AR, is a live, direct or indirect view of a physical, real-world environment whose elements are augmented by computer-generated or extracted real-world sensory input such as sound, video, graphics, haptics, or GPS data. It is related to a more general concept called computer-mediated reality, in which a view of reality is modified, possibly even diminished rather than augmented, by a computer. Augmented reality enhances one's current perception of reality, whereas in contrast, virtual reality replaces the real world with a simulated one. While the physical world is three-dimensional, most data is trapped on 2D screens and pages. This gulf between the real and digital worlds limits our ability to make the best use of the volumes of information available to us. So what is the solution? Augmented reality solves this problem by superimposing digital images and data on real objects. By putting information directly into the context in which we'll apply it, AR speeds our ability to absorb and act on it. Pioneering organizations including GE, Mayo Clinic, and the US Navy are using AR to improve productivity, quality, and training. By combining the strengths of humans and machines, AR will dramatically increase value creation. Though still in its infancy, AR is poised to enter the mainstream. According to one estimate, spending on AR technology will hit $60 billion in 2020. AR will affect companies in every industry and many other types of organizations, from universities to social enterprises. In the coming months and years, it will transform how we learn, make decisions, and interact with the physical world. It will also change how enterprises serve customers, train employees, design and create products, and manage their value chains, and ultimately how they compete. At its core, the power of augmented reality grows out of the way humans process information. We access information through each of our 5 senses, but at different rates. Vision provides us with the most information by far. An estimated 80 to 90% of the information humans get is accessed through vision. This explains why AR is so powerful. There is no better graphical user interface than the physical world we see around us when it is enhanced by a digital overlay of relevant data and guidance where and when they are needed. AR eliminates dependence on out-of-context and hard-to-process 2D information on pages and screens, while greatly improving our ability to understand and apply information in the real world. This is a chart showing the industries that are currently making substantial investments in AR and percentage anticipating substantial investments in 3 years. As mentioned earlier, there's going to be a lot of money invested in AR over the next 3 years. So invest in your future and learn AR. And always remember, what you learn is who you become.